Guys, I'm bored.
Me too.
Me three.
I know. Let's go for a jungle walk.
Alright.
Oh yes, very pleasant. Move faster.
Such a nice walk.
My butt hurts. Easy looking shed.
We're going kind of deep. Can we turn back?
No.
I think there's a trail there. Okay. I think we should turn back. Whoa! Look, this
Faster.
is so flat.
Flat land. It's okay. You have to now go deeper.
Why is this? Why is there another pothole in the middle of the road? Okay, there's some stairs leading up.
But it's what? I don't want to go up there.
Oh,
One guy.
when are we gonna reach this bigger and flatter area? I feel like there's no flat area. Something's stuck on me.
I do not see it. Just keep going.
I think we're leaving there. Come on, guys, we gotta go.
Yeah, lama ke jo somna chop so che.
Oh, use the bamboo like
Your butt's on my face. Should we
I
be
think we
here?
get enough.
I think this is enough.
No, it's fine. I'm falling.
Gucci, Gucci, gu. Ah, I'm getting whipped, Charlie. I'm getting whipped. Ow, you even.
Oh, no.
Don't drop the ball. Help! Help!
There's a ball we can reach from here.
There's leaves and dirt in it, you idiot.
Hey, look, a flat spot. We can camp here.
Yeah, sorry.
That's too small. I think it's alright. Let's go there now.
I don't know where the ball is.
They can't do it. No, I think there's a flat
Stick.
I feel like we're going a bit too far. No, it's fine. I already told you that. I got a tree. I got a tree.
Run!
I got a bronze. Okay, so there's points here. And points under that and points there. First up. First up.
Backhorn. Don't let it go.
Go, go, go. If you die, just jump off the tree.
Moving the corner.
Maybe we can down here.
Yeah, because the up looks a bit too steep.
I know. Okay, so now we camp here. Yep. Oh, shit. We forgot to bring camping stuff.
Oh yeah. Your fault.
I guess we have to just sleep on the ground for tonight. I guess. And then up here, we will just be home. But I hope we won't be lost in these. It's fine. I know the way. Okay, good night.
Okay, good night.
I sleep sitting with
Good night. Guys, I'm gonna go explore, okay?
Okay, be careful. They might be dogs.
Okay.
I hold my stick.
get that from here.
I wonder if he's gonna do it.
There's nothing up here.
Okay. Now you can come down now.
I am.
And don't slip.
We forgot to bring food, by the way.
Whoever thought of this idea is stupid. How can you go camping without food? I don't know.
There's fruit?
I want you to go pick it up.
Why?
Because you should go get it.
And you always like to explore.
Yes.
Be careful and don't fall on me. Ow, there's a thorn in my leg.
I found it. Ow! Oh, wait, no, it's just a pine cone.
Find food.
Find your please.
I hear trees shaking.
Yeah, that's because I got food.
That's mine, go.
Don't! There's nothing up here.
Okay, we just passed them.
Nova, let's go exploring
Okay.
for food.
You stay here.
You stay here.
Okay. Be careful! There might be boogeymen. Yes, ma'am.
We won't. No one can hear you scream now. Nothing! Shedro got lost! He was running! He was running!
I wonder where is he? I'm going to go look for food.
No, it's okay. He's gone to... He's gone to farm.
I can see something moving though.
No, you don't!
You look creepy now.
That's because I said it down. Now move.
Okay.
He said he's going to find some food.
That's why you're alone. I see red stuff.
No, you don't.
Here, there's some food. I'm gonna see what that red thing is. It looks kind of like blood. And he seems really suspicious. Oh, just half asleep. Is that a leg? Wait, that's like Shedro. He's dead. I bet Yopar killed him. He was so suspicious, and he came without Shedro.
I want to kill you now. Ow!
Ah, damn it! Ow!
Get back here. Get back here. There's a reason I killed Shane.
Sir, me and my friends were going for a jungle walk, and one was actually a murderer. He killed one of my friends, and I ran away from him.
Now, why should I believe you?
But I have the evidence right here.
Okay, then give me your phone. Oh.
And it's the one with the taller one.
Okay, I'll help you then.
He's probably trying to kill me at this moment.
Okay, I'll come.
Okay, now wait, do you know where he is? I locked the door on him over there somewhere, and he's trying to get in. Okay, let me see. He's here, I think. Are you lying to me? No, I promise I'm not, sir. If you are, you're gonna get arrested.
Where were you guys camping at?
Over there.
Okay. I think I'm also arrested.
I think you might be lying to me. I promise I'm not, sir.
There's nothing here.
Yeah, but we were sleeping in this area because we didn't bring camping tools. You can see his head carved in the wood.
Okay, I see that. Are you sure he didn't leave somewhere?
No, he probably went because he grew.
Any other place that he might be here?
Maybe he was in our house.
Where's your house?
It's right over there near this jungle.
Lead me to it.
And then I saw the dead body. I saw something move. Right?
Is that one up there?
Oh.
Police!
Sir, he's there!
Where?
There! He's running! I'm going. Come back here!
It's not there. Put your hands up! No!
Thank you, sir.
No problem. I just thought he was wanted.
What?
By the FBI.
Oh, then maybe he was wearing a mask.
But at least I've come back.
I
to
can
the house.
still hear him.
Get them.
I'm so glad that I've become a cop so I can help people that I've gone through.
I know. At least he's dead now.
Yeah. I still remember his
Come,
fight.
have a seat.
Yep, evidence. I saw something.
Take this. Just for protection if he comes in.
I wonder if he's still back there.
Come this way.
Yeah, but I think it's just bones now. Right? Somebody there? No. I know. for sure.
I still remember in school.
Okay. I never want to go there again. There's someone up there. He's up there.
We don't know for sure.
I see him. Stay here. Okay, I'll keep guard.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye. See you.